Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi calling on your Xiaomi device. First, confirm that your specific Xiaomi model is compatible with Wi-Fi calling. Next, verify that your mobile service provider supports this feature, as it is carrier-dependent. Finally, make sure your phone's operating system is fully updated to ensure you have access to all necessary settings and the most stable experience for making calls over Wi-Fi. To activate Wi-Fi calling, begin by opening your phone's settings menu. From there, locate and tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. Select the SIM card you intend to use for Wi-Fi calling. You should then see an option labeled Wi-Fi calling or VoWiFi. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. This process typically takes only a few seconds to complete, enabling the feature for your chosen SIM. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, making a call is straightforward. Ensure your Xiaomi phone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Then, simply open your phone's dialer and dial the number you wish to call, just like any regular phone call. During the call, you should observe a small Wi-Fi calling icon, often resembling a phone with a Wi-Fi symbol, on your screen. This confirms your call is being routed over the Wi-Fi network. If you experience issues with Wi-Fi calling, try restarting both your Xiaomi phone and your Wi-Fi router. Also, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and fast enough, ideally above 10 megabits per second. If problems persist, reach out to your mobile carrier's support team, as they can assist with network or account-related concerns. Remember to keep your emergency address updated for crucial E911 services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.